I'm Rich Sands. I'm the section administrator for the SAP section here at the South Florida Water Management District. Going into SAP started back in the 2006 timeframe. At the time, we were ramping up for the large $2 billion Everglades restoration effort. The old financial type system was run off of 4 different self-made codes. This was not going to be able to handle a $2 billion construction effort.
When we first met with South Florida Water Management District, they had a lot of legacy systems, so we provided consultants to look at their current situation and then provided multiple solutions to help bring them to the full speed and full power of S/4HANA.
The new SAP S4 system has allowed us to take our payroll processing system, which used to be a full 2.5 days of a single individual working about 10 hours a day. She's now able to accomplish that in 3/4 of a day total. We have payroll going to the banks days before we used to.
We work very hard. We constantly have the client in mind and kind of a whatever it takes to make sure that the client is taken care of.
I highly recommend working with Phoenix Business Consulting. What they did is they took our product after we did the uplift and they made it to where the system worked for us.